Welcome back to Kansas City. My name's still Tom Stein Jr. In my opinion, there's a lot of times you're at cocktail parties or hanging out with new friends and buddies, and they ask you what you do. Now, we work in the insurance industry, and so in general, when people respond with, I'm an insurance broker, they're turned off a little bit, right? Like, I don't need any more insurance. Well, instead of addressing it in that way, I have a suggestion for you today. I have a very unique and simple way for you to tell people what you do in a way which is more articulate and more helpful to everybody involved. Because as we know, there are 15 million different kinds of insurance. I'm exaggerating, but there are many different types of insurance that you can play with. So instead of saying, I'm in the insurance business, or instead of saying, I sell insurance, I would encourage you to use this specific matrix to describe what it is that you do and do it in a way that people will remember and open the conversation in that moment to the fun that you want to have, exploring ideas with other people. So it's a simple matrix. And the matrix is this: what you do, who you serve, and then why you're different. It's called a unique selling proposition. So we at American Trust Administrators help small and independent brokerage houses serve the small business owner with employee health plans to help them save money and provide the best benefits to their people and who they care about. That's what we do here. Now, I would encourage you to sit down and write on this matrix for your shop, to be articulate, be specific, and also highlight the unique selling proposition that you offer and you can provide to your clients, right? You're not just a guy who sells health plans to every Tom, Dick, and Harry out there. You're a guy that helps very specific clients in very specific situations. And yes, you can help other ones, but this is what you're good at. And it's my belief that if you're more concise with who you serve, you will be able to serve the people more appropriately with unique solutions that you uniquely have. So the overall pitch, the overall couple of sentences: we help ideal clients with broad strokes of what you do by doing the things that you uniquely do. And the final piece, with American Trust, we've been doing it for over half a century. For you, and I've been doing this for decades. Or I do this in a very specific part of the country. I only do this in Amarillo, Texas, right? Something that, again, qualifies more tightly. This is the same marketing idea that you want. You want to have a very specific ideal clientele. That is who you want to serve, the ones that you're best set up to do so. I hope you got some value out of that. My name's Tom Stein Jr. If you need what we uniquely can do, which is serve small business owners with ERISA compliant plans so they can save money, you let us know and we're here to help, and we'll certainly explore the opportunities. We'll see you out there.